Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this November the 29th, 2023. I hope everybody's having a great Wednesday out there so far. Everybody has a great Wednesday evening. Also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in today's video, we're going to Friday. Also, we're going to take a look at the weather radar across the nation. Also, take a look at the Watches Warning Advisory map for your locations. Also, we're going to take a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook for Thursday and Friday, as we got some severe weather to talk about. And also, we're going to be talking about the tropics at the end of this broadcast. In fact, the tropics, I will do it for one more day, and then I will not be doing the tropics no more after come on over and smash that subscribe button. Love to have them. Still trying to reach my 1,000 subscribers. I'd help a brother out. That would be nice. Alright, also like these videos, share these videos, and let's go ahead and get the show on the road here. We've got mixed precipitation up here around the Great Lakes region, all the way in the portion of New York State, northern Ohio, portion of Michigan, and now extending from Illinois back into Iowa and also back into Kansas. We have showers extending from up here near southern Michigan through Ohio and Indiana, back through Indiana, Missouri, down into Georgia. We got thunderstorms and showers extending Idaho and also in the portion of Montana. Mixed precipitation up here in southwestern Canada, portion of Washington State, Idaho, Oregon, back down into California as well, Nevada. Got a little bit of heavy snow possible over portion of Oregon. Elsewhere, pretty quiet. Got dry conditions expected over portions of northern Canada, northeastern Canada, southern Canada, southwestern area through Montana, through portions of Wisconsin, Minnesota, through Nebraska, Colorado, Wyoming. Also, we're here in portions Nevada, California, much of Mexico, South Texas, portion of Florida, all the way up through the Carolinas, all the way up into Maine, New Brunswick, also in the portion of Newfoundland as well. And also, we got some strong to severe thunderstorms in Pennsylvania, back toward Delaware, D.C., Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Tennessee. We got thunderstorm activity down in a portion of Tennessee, all the way down to East Texas, government. Also down toward the Bahamas as well, not into the coastal waters. We got some shower activity around Arizona, Southern California, northern Gulf of California, Idaho, all the way back up into portions of Montana, Vancouver area of Canada as well. North. All right. As you can see here, we got some small craft advisory gale warnings in effect off the southeast coast. North Carolina watches still freeze warning still in effect for southern Georgia, Panhandle, Florida, southeast Alabama. Got some frost advisories for North Florida. Also, we have some coastal flood advisories here for Louisiana. Wind advisories over portions of Kentucky, Arkansas, northern Mississippi. Over here in West Texas, southeast areas of New Mexico. We got winter weather advisories over here in Colorado and also Arizona. Also more winter weather advisory, winter storm watches in effect for Nevada. Winter weather advisories in effect for portions of Oregon, Idaho, and also portions of Washington State with winter storm watches and warnings, storm warnings along coastal area. Flood watches and warnings has been issued for the Hawaii and Chain Island as well. Small craft advisories have been posted also from southern Mississippi all the way to the east coast of. All right, we're going to try to get to the Storm Prediction Center here. All right. As you can see here, Prediction Center, these are the areas for your Thursday. We got a general thunder over Missouri, also into Kansas, Oklahoma, back over Texas, and also into Port of New Mexico. Also, we have marginal risk, enhanced risk, over, and slight risk over Texas, Louisiana. Marginal risk extended all the way up into portions of Oklahoma, and also portions of Louisiana, southwestern portions of Arkansas. All right. If you live in the Woodlands, Conroe, Spring, Huntsville, and Acosta, enhanced risk for severe weather coming up on Thursday. If you live in Houston, Pasadena, Beaumont, College Station, and Sugar Land, Texas region, slight risk for severe weather on Thursday. If you live in Dallas, Austin, Fort Worth, Arlington, and Plano, Texas area, marginal risk for severe weather coming up on Thursday. The tornado probability for this area, we have a 10 area down in southeast Texas, 5% there as well, 2%. And if you live in pretty much the Woodlands, Conroe, Spring, Huntsville, and also Acosta, Texas area, 10% risk for EF tornado or larger in that area. Also, if you live in Houston, Pasadena, Beaumont, College Station, and Sugar Land, Texas region, 5% risk for a tornado. If you live in Austin, Waco, and Killian, Texas area, including Lafayette and Baton Rouge, Louisiana, 2% risk for a tornado to spin up in the green sector. All right, let's move on into the wind probability. Excuse me, we have 5% in the brown, Houston, Dallas, Austin, Fort Worth, and Arlington, Texas region. 5% risk for damaging winds on Thursday. The large hail, pretty much the same areas in this. Alright, it's about to come up. Alright, you can see we got general thunderstorm from southeast Texas all the way over to portion of Tennessee, also western North Carolina, western South Carolina, much of Georgia, marginal risk down here from Louisiana into a portion of Alabama. And if you live in New Orleans, Baton Rouge, Louisiana, including Birmingham, Montgomery, and Mobile, Alabama, marginal risk for severe weather. Here's the probability, 5%, and this is for the same areas, New Orleans, Louisiana, to Mobile, Alabama, and surrounding areas for other on Fridays. Like I said, I'm only going to be showing this thing one more time unless something pops up in the Atlantic. Other than that, the tropics will, my tropical update will be ended. And like I said, I can already tell you there's nothing going on in the tropics. The tropics are quiet, and they should remain quiet through the remainder of this month, and it should remain through December as well. Alright, there's the tropics. Tropical cyclone activity is not expected during the next 48 hours, so, and the next 7 days as well. So, alright, well, hope everybody enjoyed this video. Hope everybody